So I've been tasked by my client to build this animation in the stacking cards animation. So basically a slide in 3 sections with some H2 heading on top of it. How I approached it, I used this tutorial, overlapping cards animation with GSAP scroll trigger, and I basically built it in the VS Code. So basically this was the HTML structure, one container and 3 cards. The original cards were basically like this. This was the animation that he had. So I removed the code from the to scale from X to Y so that it slides from the bottom, and I removed the in the GSAP animation here, so I changed the X for Y so it slides from the bottom, and I changed in the CSS the resolution of the cards and basically make them to the top only. Then I removed everything from there to Webflow. I built, this is not important, but I built this CSS. I moved the whole CSS here. This is not important, this is just to see the example in here and to replicate it. This one, it's completely transferred to Webflow, relative width 100, height 100 VH, auto, okay. No background. Background it's applied to the KS section too, basically on the top, which is misleading class, but yeah. So then in here there are 3. I use the container and heading so we can see where it's like positioned. It makes some sense to position it, and obviously there is another content inside. But what is very important are these 3 containers or div blocks, which are basically having this these 3 div classes plus the H2 in here. So these are the GSAP edu swiper slide, and this is the main one, the container, which it's on the display flex, center, full position, and then these slides. Basically, I forgot to write the slide 1, but it doesn't matter. The slide 1 it works even without the slide 1, because it's applied in here. So I will just make sure that it just for a good sake, yeah. So we have the slide that it's again the width and align center, then the background color and the radiuses, okay. So the radiuses are 1.5 frames. So it's everything in here. This was the cards, which it's not important anymore. Yeah. Now the slider 2 has just different color. The rest it's the same, and 35 millimeters, 35 pixels from the top, 70 pixels for slide 3. That's all it is to this animation. Everything else it's set in here. It loads 3 libraries. It runs this code, and for more information, more understanding of this code, I will leave this tutorial in the post.